Hi, we have sent an email to you with a subject line called sample invoice. It has a Word document added to it. This Word document is a template that we want all the creators to use to submit the content and product invoices. This is one template that is created for Amazon particularly. So we request you to not change any of the details mentioned in it in black text, especially the bank details and your house address and email address. If anything requires to be changed, we request you to inform it to your program manager. Apart from that, every month we will be sending you an email which will include two PDF files. These two PDF files are POs, which stand for purchase order. One is for product reimbursement, the other one is for content fee. So you require to save these two files in your system and use the detail to create invoice. Here I will show you how to do so. First thing first, so this is how your sample invoice looks like. It has your name, your house address, your email ID, then other required details to get your payment cleared, and your bank details. Please make sure that you are double checking your bank details before submitting the invoice to us. And you have to make sure that only the text which is mentioned in red is changed and nothing else is changed in the invoice while submitting it to your program manager to avoid any kind of delay in the payments. See, this is the product order. I am going to copy it and paste it in the Word document. So I copy it. See, this is the product order. I am going to copy it and paste it in the Word document. So I copy it. Similarly, I have used Content PO and I have made necessary changes to my invoice. I have edited the date, I have edited the invoice number. Now here instead of Pro, I have written Con, which is a short form of content. I have edited purchase order number, looking at the PO PDF and job number, again copy pasting from the PO PDF. Now this is going to be the particulars, the amount which is mentioned on the PDF. I have again copy pasted the amount here and I have edited the same in the words. Now I am going to add the signature and recheck all the bank details, and then I will be submitting it for the payment clearance. This is how your purchase order looks like. There will be two purchase orders attached to your email every month. How will I check which is for the product one and which is for the content one? Here is the description given. This is for product reimbursement. The other is for content. Now, I will just quickly check the amount that is mentioned here in the product amount. This is 5500. I will make sure that Amazon downloaded invoices are handy. And now here in the Amazon invoices, I need to check a couple of things before I submit it. Firstly, the name should be the same as registered with Publicis. Then invoice date needs to be checked. So what you need to check is that the invoice date on Amazon invoices should be before than what is mentioned on the PO. So on PO, the date mentioned is 4th January. So the invoice date should be before 4th. So 30 days before 4th will do. So this is exactly fitting in the criteria. That means the hygiene check is done and it's correct. And this needs to be checked in all the invoices before you submit it to us. Apart from that, if there are some exchanges, there will be one or two invoices after the date. That's okay, we accept it, but do highlight it over email while submitting the invoices to your program manager. Now I'm going to calculate the amount that which is mentioned here. This is 236 plus 417 plus 826 plus 2671. So I've already calculated the total amount of this PDF file. It is 5500 only, which is matching this amount, which means I am ready to create my product reimbursement invoice. And I paste it here like this. Again, I copy the job number and I paste it in the Word document. Sample invoice that you have received in your inbox might have something written like this: fees for influencership program for Amazon. I am going to remove it because this invoice is particularly for product reimbursement. I will also share this statement with you over email and WhatsApp so that you can copy paste it. Now, coming to the next step, I know the total amount of product invoices was 5500. So here I will write 5500, and also I will change the amount mentioned in words. Rupees 5500. And below this, there is a space to give your signature. Please make sure that you are not typing your name or in any of the formats. We will not be able to clear your payments. Either you can go ahead and digitally sign the invoice, or maybe you can add a picture. So maybe something like this: you go to insert, click on picture, this device, and you can have the picture readily available with you and add the signature. Here I am adding whatever is available with me right now. So I minimize the size, and this is the signature. Now I am going to maintain the uniformity here. So I'm changing the color, and I am also going to change the font style and font size. This is an optional step. This is only to keep the invoice neat. So now your Amazon product reimbursement invoice is ready. Once you are ready with your signed invoices for content and product reimbursement, make sure you are submitting three documents to your PM for payment clearance. One is going to be for product supportings. These are the invoices that you must have downloaded from Amazon website. The second one is going to be the signed copy of product reimbursement invoice that you have created. The third one is going to be content signed invoice. Uh, Now you can share these files in PDF format or maybe in Word document. That is your call. But make sure that the processes are followed exactly so that there is no to and fro between the creator and finance team, and your payments are cleared within the timelines. Thank you.